So here's the deal. I used to spend like a rich squirrel hoarding random stuff I didn't need. $7 lattes? Sure. Useless phone tripod from TikTok? Add to cart. Then one day, I checked my balance and realized I had $13.49 to survive the rest of the month. And I just bought an avocado slicer. Since then, I've tried a few money-saving tricks that don't make me cry. Here are a few that actually work. 1. Automate savings. Set up your bank to move a small amount, like $10 or $20, into your savings account every week. You won't even notice it, but it adds up fast. 2. Track your spending. Use any free app or just a notebook to write down what you spend. When you actually see where your money goes, it's easier to cut back on things you don't even care about. 3. Unsubscribe from temptation. Marketing emails are sneaky. They whisper 50% off, and suddenly you're buying a fourth pair of sneakers. Unsubscribe. Out of sight, out of cart. 4. Cook at home. Cook at home, yes, even if you're bad at it. You don't need to become Gordon Ramsay. Just learn to make a few easy meals. It's cheaper, healthier, and no one will judge your oddly shaped pancakes. 5. Do a no-spend weekend. One weekend. No buying anything except essentials. Challenge accepted? 6. Make a budget that doesn't make you cry. If your budget feels like a punishment, you won't stick to it. Build in some fun money, guilt-free, coffee included. 7. Use the 24-hour rule. See something you want? Wait 24 hours. Still want it? Maybe. Don't? You just saved money and mental clutter. 8. Cancel subscriptions you forgot you had. Are you still paying for that meditation app you downloaded once and never opened again? Yeah, time to say goodbye. 9. Buy generic. Yes, even toilet paper. No one will judge your off-brand tissues. And your budget won't judge you either. 10. Sell stuff you don't use. Old gadgets, clothes, that exercise bike you swore you'd use. Turn clutter into cash. 11. DIY small fixes. Leaky faucet, squeaky chair. YouTube is full of surprisingly helpful repair guides. You're more capable than you think. 12. Keep a why I'm saving reminder. New apartment, travel dreams, emergency fund. Put a sticky note on your mirror. Instant motivation. 13. Grocery shop with a list and a full stomach. Shopping hungry equals buying 3 bags of chips and forgetting the eggs. A list equals money and dignity saved. 14. Embrace the power of no. No, I can't go out tonight. No, I don't need another black hoodie. No, I'm not splitting the bill evenly when I only had water. Powerful, freeing. 15. Use cash for fun spending. Take out cash for entertainment, and once it's gone, it's gone. It's like budgeting, but tactile. 16. Learn one new skill instead of buying a solution. Instead of buying that logo on Fiverr, try making it yourself. Learning skills for free is better than paying for costly shortcuts. 17. Choose public transit or walking whenever you can. Your wallet and your step count will thank you. 18. Unfollow tempting influencers. If you didn't know that $80 candle existed, you wouldn't want it. 19. Master the art of leftovers. Yesterday's dinner can be today's gourmet lunch. 20. Use the library or free resources. Books, movies, even online courses. You'd be surprised how much amazing stuff is free if you just look around. Your wallet will thank you. 21. Celebrate small wins. Save $20? Did a no-spend day? Give yourself a little high five. Progress is progress. Listen, you don't need to cancel joy to build savings. You just need a little awareness, a little humor, and fewer avocado slicers. Now tell me your weirdest "why did I buy that" moment in the comments. Let's laugh and learn together. And if this helped, give it a like and follow for more no-shame life advice.